Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another do-it-yourself video, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to with some Vicrez vinyl that I picked up, as well as I will be using their vinyl wrap professional toolkit. Myself personally, I'm going to start getting into a little bit of the wrapping, just kind of learning it and doing myself. Obviously, you guys know I did the hood. I'm definitely interested in doing more to the car as far as wrapping it, and obviously, you know, I'm going to do it myself. So that being said, I went ahead on their website, picked up this little toolkit from them, and now it should have just about everything that I need for now. As far as a beginner's toolkit, I think this is probably be a good start with. Now, with this Vicrez toolkit, it does have a lot of uses. You know, this toolkit really, you can use it for vinyl, for PPF, and for window tint. So I may dip into the window tint and PPF sort of down the line. If I do that, then this is obviously a good little toolkit to have just for beginners. I'm not going to go through every single piece one by one because they do give you a really good kit. This is complete with just about everything you probably will ever need. Obviously, we got the squeegees with different kind of, you know, felt tips, so on and so forth. So depending on what kind of job you're doing, you know, a couple cool air fresheners that they give you. This little pen, I think it's a little air popper pen. So, you know, if you got a little air pocket, you can kind of just poke it and should take care of that issue with you. Again, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. But overall, I mean, this kit is pretty complete. And now as far as the vinyl that I also picked up from them, I picked up this candy red vinyl. Again, I'll leave a link down below so you can check out exactly which one I got. I definitely want to add a little bit more candy red to the car. Hopefully you guys can sort of tell on camera, but it's cool. It looks really nice. It's shiny. I mean, it's candy, right? It's definitely pretty spot on to it. I may go ahead and wrap the side mirrors as well with this candy paint, with this candy vinyl. And then I may, depending on how things go, I may redo my rear stripe with the same candy red. Overall, this film looks really nice. Again, it's very glossy. All right, so now that we have our vinyl kit and our vinyl, all right, guys, there is the final product here. So again, Vicrez candy stripe in the back. I think it looks great. A little bit of a change up, but not too far away from what I had before. But hopefully you guys can see the candy. I mean, it looks awesome. I mean, it looks really good in the light. So so there you have it, guys. Again, show a little review on the Vicrez basically vinyl tools that they carry. And then I showed you guys a little quick tip on how to make your own stripe. So you don't always have to have somebody make it for you with a little vinyl tape. And then obviously some of the tools that come with that Vicrez kit, you can definitely make your own stripe. So give you guys a little walk around. The car pretty well. By the way, I made a little reflective vinyl there, so check it out. All right, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.